Welcome to my channel History Fact 1232. In the previous video we will learn about Jainism which is given in the description. Today we will learn about Buddhism. Buddhism. Origin. Buddhism is a spiritual and philosophical tradition founded in the 6th and 5th century BCE in ancient India by Siddhartha Gautama, who is known as the Buddha. Gautama Buddha, Life and Teachings. Birth and Early Life. Name Siddhartha Gautama. Born around 563 BCE in Lumbini, modern-day Nepal. Family. Born as a prince in the Sakya clan. Father was King Sudodhana. Mother was Queen Maya. Life of luxury. He lived a settled life in the place protected for the suffering of the world. The Great Renunciation. At the age of 29, Siddhartha encountered the four sights. First, an old man. Second, a sick person. Third, a dead body. Fourth, a wandering ascetic. These experiences made him realize that suffering dukkha is part of life. He left his place, family, and wealth to seek the truth about life and suffering. Quest for enlightenment. Siddhartha practiced meditation, asceticism, and self-discipline for several years. Finally, sitting under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, he attained enlightenment at the age of 35. From then on, he was called Bodha, meaning the enlightenment one. Teachings of Buddha. Four Noble Trust. Understanding the nature of suffering and how to overcome it. Noble Eightfold Path. A practical guide to ethical living, material discipline, and wisdom. Karma and rebirth. Action have consequence and liberation for the cycle of rebirth is possible. Compassion and mindfulness treat all beings with kindness and awareness. Later life and death. Buddha spent around 45 years teaching people across India. He passed away at Kushinagar at the age of 80, achieving parinirvana, final liberation. Core beliefs. Buddhism focuses on understanding human suffering and the path to liberation. Its key teachings include the Four Noble Truths. First, dukkha. Life involves suffering. Second, samudaya. Suffering is caused by desire and attachment. Third, nirodha. It is possible to end suffering. Fourth, mega. There is a path to end suffering called the Eightfold Path. The Noble Eightfold Path. This is a guide to ethical conduct, mental discipline, and wisdom. First, right view. Second, right intention. Third, right speech. Fourth, right action. Fifth, right livelihood. Sixth, right effort. Seventh, right mindfulness. Eighth, right concentration. Concepts of karma and rebirth. Buddhism teaches that actions have consequence and beings go through cycles of birth, death, and rebirth until they attain nirvana, which is liberation for suffering. Practices: meditation and mindfulness, ethical living and compassion, study of Buddhism. Major schools: Theravada focuses on the original teachings of the Buddha mainly in Sri Lanka, Thailand, Myanmar. Mahayana emphasized compassion and the ideal of the Bodhisattva, China, Japan, Korea. Vajrayana incorporates rituals and esoteric practices, Tibet, Mongolia. Spread: Buddhism spread for India to Asia, influencing cultures in China, Japan, Korea, Tibet, Southeast Asia, and even reaching the West in modern times. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.